On my way to go and get some groceries. First experience going to get groceries during the quarantine, coronavirus, etc. Let's see what happens. On my way to go and get some groceries. First experience going to get groceries during the quarantine, coronavirus, etc. Let's see what happens. I would love to take it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So once I got to the entrance and I got inside, it was pretty smooth. They didn't let a lot of people in at once, so I could go up and down the aisles pretty freely. And that's also one of the reasons why my wife hates grocery shopping with me, because I like to go up every aisle. But overall, pretty smooth. Alright, so I finally made it out of the grocery store. Now walking back, and it's roasting outside. It's about, I can't even tell. I don't even know. It's just really hot and tired. Didn't expect it to be so long, but I get it. One thing I must say about, I guess, just the Philippines in general, maybe Manila, just because that's where I am right now, I feel like they've been doing a pretty good job of trying to help people self-quarantine properly. I gotta go, I'm too hot. But that's it for today. I hope to be back with you later, very soon. Peace.